Hello, I am Mihela. I am a grade 4 student of Royal College, Colombo, Sri Lanka. Today I'll be talking about the Sri Lankan jungle fowl. Also known as the Ceylon jungle fowl or Lafayette's jungle fowl, is a member of the Galliformes bird order which is endemic to Sri Lanka. The male is burnt orange with dark streaks, cockerel-like glossy black tail and a prominent red comb marked with yellow on the crown. Grey-brown female has white streak and prominent bearing on its wings. The Sri Lankan jungle fowl sounds like It is closely related to the red jungle fowl, the wild jungle fowl, from which chicken was domesticated. Known as Walikukula locally, it has the distinct honor of being the national bird of Sri Lanka and is depicted in postage stamps. I've seen Ceylon jungle fowls in Vilpattu, Udawalawa and Yala. In my last visit to Vilpattu, I saw more than 50 jungle fowls. When it comes to finding birds, I like to go to Vilpattu and Udawalawa because of it is less crowded. Please subscribe to see my next video about the black-winged slint.